Digging me up some fresh worms. This steady rain is bringing them to the surface, man. All the big juicy ones. What a difference a day can make, man. 85 yesterday, 45 today. Hopefully the blues are biting. Fishing out here with the Sandhills and their little baby chick. Yeah. How beautiful. Holy smokes, man. Right off the get-go, I catch the biggest bluegill I've caught all year. Man, this thing is a beast. About 7 inches, real fat. Man, what a beauty. Awesome. Dude, I tell you what, that is one big bluegill. Wow, incredible. Old Grandpa would be proud. But back to Round Lake you go, big boy. And reeling in another real nice bluegill. Man, another real nice, beautiful bluegill. Not as big as the last one, but beautiful color. Put up a good fight. Man, what a ball. Nothing better than bagging bluegill out on Round Lake. All right, boss. Have a good night. Man, the big boys came out to play tonight. Nice. Man, bagged a real nice boss bluegill. Big boys tonight, man. What a blast. Man, what a beauty. All right, back to Round Lake, buddy. Well, this is a surprise. A drop shot, bobber, and a worm. Typically landing me bluegill this spring, but it's always a surprise to get a bass with a worm. Under my favorite weeping willow tree. Man, life's good, dude. My favorite willow. Always good for a bass. All right, see you, man. Well, I'm soaked to the bone. Cold, damp, but this is a good note to go out on. Another nice bluegill. What a great afternoon. I love fishing in the rain, man. What a great evening out on Round Lake. Fishing in the rain. Nothing better, man. All right, back you go, Blue. What another fantastic evening fishing out on Round Lake. Baby geese, baby sandhills, bluegill, bass, fresh worms. Man, birds singing up a storm. Life's good, man. Have a great night.